Good morning, students. We'll start this chapter, the invention of Vita Wonk. Book is Honeycomb. I had started this chapter earlier, but we'll start it once again. So we have one Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White. He invents a Wonka White which makes people younger. But Wonka White is too strong, so he has an invention which makes people very young. But the invention is so strong, the medicine is so strong that some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. So he's made a invention, but it is very strong. People do get young, but one person gets minus 87. So Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. What? He must invent a machine which can now make people older, because his earlier invention had made people very young. It was very strong. So it's an imaginary story. It's a fiction. It's not a true story. Any invention, you have to first try it. Like nowadays, the vaccine which has come, it has been tested for 1 year, and after that it has come, and now it is being administered to human beings. Before that it has been tested. So here we start it. So he wants a new recipe because his earlier invention had made people go into minus age. So Mr. Wonka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves. That is, when you start work, you roll up your sleeves and set to work. Once again I squeezed my brain. Squeeze means he's thinking, searching for the new recipe. Recipe is the ingredients which you require to make something. That is called recipe. I had to create age to make people old. So now he has to make a recipe to make people old. Ha ha, I cried. For now the ideas were beginning to come. Now he is thinking and the ideas are coming to his mind. What is the oldest living thing in the world? What lives longer than anything else? So he's looking for his recipe and he's trying to find out what are the oldest things in the world so that he can collect for his recipe. A tree. So he has an assistant called Charlie. A tree, Charlie said. Right, you are Charlie. But what kind of a tree? So the oldest things on this world are trees. So which kind of tree? Not the Douglas fir. Fir is a conical tree found in mountains. Not the oak. Oak tree you can find in New Delhi also, जिसे हम बांज की ट्री पेड़ बोलते हैं. Not the cedar. Cedar is again a tree grown in mountains. So he says these are not the trees which are old. No, no, my boy. It is a tree called the bristlecone pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. So he's saying the oldest tree to be found is the bristlecone pine. Again, it is found in the mountains of USA. Nevada is the state. Like you have states in India, Punjab, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. Similarly, Nevada is a state in USA. And there it is found in the hills of Wheeler Peak. You can find bristlecone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. This is fact, Charlie. So he's telling him the oldest tree is the bristlecone pine. Ask any dendrochronologist. Dendrochronologist is who studies about trees and their age. So that started me off. I jumped into the great glass elevator. Elevator is a lift which takes you up. And here, this is the imaginary story. So he's got a machine like a thing that is great glass elevator, and he moves all around the world collecting special items for the oldest living things. So now he is moving all around the world trying to collect different things for his recipe. So what does he collect? First thing is a tree, a pint of sap. Sap is the liquid which comes out of a tree. A pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. So that is the first thing he collects. The toenail of a clippings, nail, clipping is little bit amount of that toe nail from a 160-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregorovich. That is the second he collects for his recipe. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. That is the third thing. All this is collecting so that he can make people older. So he is collecting things which are very old. The tale of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. The whiskers. Whiskers, like in human beings, you have mustaches in men. Similarly, in animals, the hair which grows on the upper lip of animals are called whiskers. Of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. An old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. Flea is fly. The tale of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. So all these things he is collecting for his new recipe so that he can make people old, because from his earlier invention people had gone into minus age. They had become so young that they had gone into minus. The black teeth of a 97-year-old gremlin kin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl. The black teeth of a 97-year-old gremlin. So these are all different animals. The knuckle bones, the bones on your hands, when you grip your hand, the bones which are the knuckles bones of a 700-year-old cataloo from Peru. Peru is a country which is in South America. So these are the things which Willy Wonka, the scientist, is collecting so that he can make people older. So this is the first part of this story, which is a fiction. Fiction means it's an imaginary story. So we'll continue with the second part in my second video. Thank you all of you and have a nice day.